I challenged myself to build an app without writing a single line of code. I have to build the app, evaluate the app, publish and install the app. It will be a very intense experience. Let's build the app. Go to any browser and type in Wacka app. Then click on the first result that appears. This website lets you build apps for free and professionally, starting with just one prompt. Click on Start Free and enter your email address. Look at these features. You can publish your app very easily. Follow along with me through the steps. After logging in, this interface will appear. Simply enter your prompt. For example, I have a time management app prompt that I asked ChatGPT to write professionally. Then click Create, and it will build the entire app in 5 or 6 minutes. I entered the prompt and clicked on Build App. It has created the app, and honestly, I'm blown away by the result. The result is really beautiful. All the buttons work. Everything is a 10 out of 10. The interface, the colors, everything is comfortable, calm, and impressive. No one will tell you that this app is fake or fabricated. The only thing missing is light and dark mode, but we can easily add that. Just type it here and that's it. It even works flawlessly on tablets and the web, unbelievably well. I'll leave the app link in the first link in the description or in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss anything new. There we go. It has added light and dark modes so simply and precisely, and it works incredibly well. Finally, we finished the app. The app is working, and once it's published, give it a try. I'll leave the link in the description or in the comments. How do you publish it? It's simple. Just click this button and then click Publish. It will give you a link that you can send to any of your friends. It's been published. Let's open it in a web browser. Honestly, I'm blown away by the app. It's incredibly beautiful, practical, and reliable. I'm not exaggerating.